Welcome to Drawlipar channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change home screen grid in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to change home screen grid in your phone. Now for the first method, just touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see settings option. Then just go to settings. After that go to home screen grid. And that's it. From here you can change your home screen grid. At the bottom you can see four options: 4x5, 4x6, 5x5 and 5x6. And you can choose any option as you want. If you want to set 4x6, just select it and then tap on done, and it's done. You can see in my phone home screen grid has been changed successfully. Now for the second method, just go to app screen and then tap on three dots at the top right corner of your display. Then go to settings option and then go to home screen grid. And that's it. You can also change your home screen grid from here. And that is how you can change home screen grid in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.